Hello students, so today I am going to teach you the most important topic of chemistry. The chapter name is coordination compounds, and there are several topics which are very important for the board examination. These topics are, the most important topics are, I will discuss each and every topic of this chapter. The first topic is the nomenclature of coordination compound. Nomenclature of coordination compound. And the second topic is the theory type question. Theory type question. Theory type question means it can from VBT, from CFT, and it can be from Werner's theory. Werner's theory. These are the three theory-based questions, and after these two topics, there is one of the most important topic, which is isomerism. So these are the three topics which are most important for the board examination. I have analyzed the question from this chapter. These three topics are most important. The first topic is the nomenclature of coordination compound, 100%, and the theory. VBT is very important, and CFT is also very important, and the third one is what? Isomerism. These three topics which are very probable for your examination. I will mark here 99%. So these questions, the questions from these type of topics can be asked. So I will discuss here the nomenclature of coordination compounds. Let's start this topic. So let's start the topic of this chapter, nomenclature. So I have marked these two species, and the first, which is enclosed in this bracket, this is called coordination sphere or ionization sphere, and the species, or we can say the compound, which is present outside the bracket, this is called counter ion. So this can be asked in the MCQ type question. The whole compound which is present inside the bracket, this is called ionization sphere or coordination sphere, and outside species, or we can say the compound which is present outside the bracket, atom or ion which is present outside the bracket, this is called counter ion. So now we'll write the name of this compound, which is this complex is called coordination compound, as we all know. Now I will write the name of these particular coordination compound. So we'll check this. This is CO, is the cobalt, which is central metal atom, and this NH3 and Cl, these are the ligands which is present inside the bracket. Okay, so we'll write how we can name this coordination compound. So first we will write the name of the ligand in the alphabetical order. Here amine, NH3, which is amine, and chloride, the Cl, which is present inside the bracket, and cobalt is the metal, central metal ion, and the outside the bracket, which is Cl2. Cl2 is present outside. So how we'll name it? So we'll write the first ligands in the alphabetical order. So we'll write pentaamine. Pentaamine in the alphabetical order. Amine will come first, then chlorine. So in the Cl, we'll write chlorido. For every ligand which is having the negative charge, for example, Cl is present, or fluorine is present, or we can say bromine is present. So we'll add O after the name. So we'll write chlorine as chlorido. So how we'll name it? So we'll write pentaamine. So we will write pentaamine, chlorido.